Hey, I'm Brian Van, SportBikeTrackHere.com, and we're going to break down the Racer Grip 2 Knox full gauntlet gloves. Okay, the Racer Grip 2 Knox full gauntlet gloves retail for $149.99 as of the time we're shooting this video. Please understand, we never update videos for pricing changes, only when the product itself has been completely redesigned. Let's dive right into sizing. I wear a 2X in most common gloves out there. I've got on a 2X right now. These things fit and feel great. Order your size, you should be good to go right out of the bag. What I found with these is when I first slid them on, they felt like they needed just a little bit of break-in. I didn't even have to ride in them to get them to feel the way I wanted them to. Just wearing them here in the office, I probably had them on for, 15 minutes, whatever it is. And already they feel exactly like I would want them to. Tons of comfort. Max decided to bring these in to kind of bridge the gap between the real entry-level gauntlet gloves that don't offer a lot of protection, right, and the higher-end full race gloves. And I think it was a good choice to bring them in because this glove has the features and the benefits that you're going to see on some of the higher end race gloves, right? But they wear very comfortable like you would expect from a street gauntlet or a touring gauntlet. We've got a combination of goat skin, cowhide construction, padded knuckle protector, reflective panels installed for street riding, motion panels here on all the knuckles, the control fingers, additional protection for the knuckles, little super fabric used there, that's pretty abrasion resistant stuff. There is perforation in between each of the fingers to help drive some air into the glove when you're riding. The back of the hand is fully perforated. There's like a little rubber vent there too. Perforation up here at the top of the gauntlet. More perforation over here on the thumb. Padding for the end of the ulna, right? So a little impact and abrasion resistance there. You'll find an additional layer of leather on the outside of the pinky as well as the side of the palm. That's the real impact zone. Touchscreen compatible panel here on the index finger. Overlay on the palm of the glove where your hands come in contact with the bars. That just helps keep the service life of the glove a little higher. And now my favorite feature, the palm sliders. Talk about this in every glove video that has them. What are those there for? Most of us, when we fall down instinctively, we're going to put our hands out to brace for impact. If you have a glove with a standard leather palm or a textile palm, that leather and or textile can grab the pavement, can do a couple of different things when it does that. It can pull the glove apart. It can send a bunch of energy into your wrist. There's this little bone in there called the scaphoid. It's low blood flow, very hard to heal if it gets broken, right? Helps to prevent that. Also, if it grabs, it can just kind of send you into a tumble. Also not very fun. The plastic sliders, they slide much easier, right? It's logical, right? Slide much easier than a leather palm would on the asphalt and or the concrete. And it helps to prevent all that terrible stuff that we just mentioned from happening. This is my favorite glove feature when it comes to protection. I feel like whether you're riding on the street or you're riding on the racetrack, that is something you should really look to have. Another added benefit of that is quite simply if you're sliding for a while on the pavement with your hand down, these are very difficult to wear through, much more difficult to wear through than leather or a textile palm. So it's a worthy upgrade for sure. We've got external seams here on all the fingers. That just makes it much more comfortable. Safety strap here at the wrist. Volume adjuster here at the gauntlet. Who are these gloves designed for? These gloves are right for any rider that is looking for a glove that can be used as a street gauntlet for somebody who wants good protection, but something that wears comfortable. Touring riders could wear these, right? For sure, they have that much comfort. Or let's say you're riding your sport bike on the street and you want to do some track days too. This glove is going to be just fine on the racetrack because of the features and benefit it offers from a protection perspective. When I look at these and I compare them to some of the other gloves, like Alpine Stars has some gloves that are maybe similar to this, Theirs are more expensive, and when it comes to the palm sliders that are used here, these are a big upgrade over that, right? Not talking shit here, just comparing different things that are in the marketplace. These are a great option at $149. They're going to be really hard to beat. I don't think you're going to find something that's close or better at that price range in this level of quality. I think Max made a good decision by importing these to kind of bridge that gap. If you have any questions, leave those in the comments section of this video. I answer all that stuff myself, and I'm always here to help you choose the right glove for your next ride.